Hi Peter, this is Mitch at Mercedes-Benz of Fairfield giving you an exclusive all-access, behind-the-scenes, backstage pass into what it takes to certify a Mercedes-Benz product. We are in our service facility right here in Fairfield, one of the best service facilities on the East Coast, by the way. Just take a quick peek around. This is just part of it. I mean, this is an amazing facility. I love working here. But back to the car. It's only been here a couple of days. We took it in on 8/7, meaning that this car is fresh. You have first dibs on it. And I love this color. It's not your usual silver or black or white. This color really pops. Let's take a walk around it. And of course, we're going to detail this car. Use your imagination as we walk around. Okay. Very clean exterior, free from major dents and dings. It does have the 4MATIC all-wheel drive technology, one of the best systems out there. And without even being detailed, you can just tell how the other owner took good care of this car. Let's take a peek on the inside, shall we? I like how this interior complements this blue color. So we have the light almond interior, multifunction steering wheel, memory seating, power headrest, power steering column, navigation, heated front seats, dual climate control. Shall I continue? Even the passenger side has memory. This car is sweet. Seats are free from rips, holes, and tears. What you would expect from a certified pre-owned vehicle from Mercedes. So this is just a sneak peek. I have more information at my desk. Listen, give me a call, send me an email. This car will not last long. It's the right color combo. The perfect person walks on the lot. This car is gone. So again, my name is Mitch. Give me a call, send me an email. The best number to reach me on is 203-843-6659. It's 203-843-6659. Mitch, Mercedes-Benz Fairfield.